We were just sent this grid wall panels to check out and show you how to assemble it. And I can tell you right now, already when it came, it's very lightweight. Let's see what comes in the box. In the box, we've got the 3 grid panels. This one's labeled C. It's well packaged. We've got another panel here, labeled A. It does come with a set of instructions. It looks like it comes with 4 wheels, casters, that can be attached onto the bottom. Those have locking mechanisms to keep it from spinning. And the 3rd panel, and the feet. So to install the base on, we're going to put these little hex screws in here. It does come with a provided tool to put those in. We're going to put those on both sides and tighten them down. It comes with these large feet that you can use underneath, or you can use the casters, which we're going to choose to use. I'm going to install on the bottom. Just simply insert those in there and twist them around to lock those into place. It does come with a tool provided. It's got the 3 panels that simply slide into place. And then it comes with these that you can choose to lock these into place if you felt like you needed to not be able to remove those. Simply insert these and twist them in until they stop, and then this will not come out. It comes with 10 of these T-style hooks that you can place on here. This allows you to take your artwork wherever you need to go and display it nicely on here. And it's effortless and a great display. To disassemble this, it's really easy. You just loosen these a little bit, and then you just simply slide these off, and the panels can stack together. No need to fully remove those. Easy maneuverability on these great casters. Once you've got all that stuff set in there, it just stacks all nicely together like that. Again, very convenient to take it anywhere that you need to go.